Tonight, zombie whispers of the quiet conversation. She's coming here to dirty fight, and like wings, sweet black stones at night towards salvation. I stopped to know her along the way, hoping to find some more guided words, direction, turn to me and seem to say, Harry boy, she's ready back for you. Gonna take a lot to take me away from you. Just find out if the middle born never do. I'm just a race down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things you never while dawn's shine down in the night, I still grow restless, longing for some solitude company. I know that I must do what's right, till this Kilimanjaro rises like a I think the cure's deep inside, running up these streets that I become.
Alright, we'd like to announce to everyone that the dinner is ready. Yes.
Harry boy, she's ready now for you.
Yeah, I lost my TL.